Kimi desu. Hi everyone, it's me Kimi and welcome back to another Practical Bisaya. So for today's episode, I'll be sharing to you 10 Bisaya words that you usually see in the kitchen. So, let's start! This is what we call spoon, right? In Bisaya, we call this one kutsara. 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 Yes, we usually eat this one. This is kutsara. Then, the partner is called tinidor. 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 Kutsara o tinidor. Spoon and fork. Kutsara o tinidor. Okay? Remember, the next one would be, this one is called teaspoon in English, and this in Bisaya is called kutsarita. 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 Most of the time, we use kutsarita together with tasa, this cup that we usually use for coffee. So, kutsarita and tasa. Kutsarita and tasa. So, I can't hold the other one, but it's still related. This one. Small saucer. This one, in Bisaya, it's called platito. Platito. Because the big one, we call it plato. So this one is called platito. 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 Okay, we're halfway there. So the next one would be this one. This is a glass. And we call this vaso. 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 Another glass one. Maybe this one. Yeah, typically everywhere you go, this is identified as Tupperware. Even if it's not Tupperware. Even if it's not under that brand. So this is Tupperware, but sometimes we also call this balunan. 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 Or in Cebu, you may hear baon anan. Baon anan. Baon anan. So either Tupperware, balunan, or baon anan. Okay? Last three kitchen stuff. So we have this scissors, or called gunting. 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 Okay? This one. This is a knife. Call this one cuchillo. 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 And the partner of cuchillo is almost always this, where you chop everything. So your chopping board, we call this one tadtaran. 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 Okay? So let's review. We have this one. This is called kutsara. Next one would be tinidor. This one, kutsarita. Tasa. Platito. Vaso. Tupperware. Baonanan. Balunan. Gunting. Cuchillo. And the last one would be tadtaran. Okay, so that's it for the 10 kitchen words in Bisaya. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you found this video very useful, please hit the like button, and if you want to learn more Bisaya words, please subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time. Bye!